Hello! Welcome back to IP English Time! I am your teacher, Teacher Lisa, and I love dancing and singing. So I think we should start by singing a song. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Yes, kids, that was so good. Yay! So, kids, for today's lesson, we will learn all about zoo animals. Are you ready? Let's get started. Kids, what time is it? It's lesson time. And in today's lesson, we will learn all about zoo animals. Okay, are you ready to learn? Let's have a look at our first picture. What is it? It's a lion. Can you say lion? Very good. And a lion says, yes. Let's have a look at our next picture. What is it? It's a monkey. Can you say monkey? Very good. And a monkey sounds like yes, good job. Okay, let's look at our next picture. Do you know what it is? It's an elephant. Can you say elephant? Very good. And an elephant sounds like yes, good job. Let's have a look at our next picture. What is it? It's a giraffe. Can you repeat after me? Giraffe. Yes, very good. And a giraffe has a very, very, very long neck. Okay, let's have a look at our last picture. What is it? It's a snake. Can you repeat after me? Snake. Very good. Kids, well done in our lesson time. Kids, what time is it? It's game time! I am so excited for this game because it's gonna be a really, really fun game. It is called the Jigsaw Game. I will show you a big picture, but something is wrong. It is not right. It is not correct. We need to put the squares in the correct order to make a picture. Okay, let's start this jigsaw game. So let's play this jigsaw game. Let's have a look at the picture. I see a picture, but it is not correct. We are going to put these pieces over here, so it is going to be a picture. Let's have a look. I know this is number 3. So let's put this right here. Now you see one eye. So number 2 has to have another eye. Let's have a look. Is this an eye? No. Is this an eye? Yes. So this one is number 2. Yes, this looks correct. Now, let's think. I see a piece of a mouth. So we need another piece of his mouth. Let's have a look. Where is the mouth? I see it right here. So this one should be here? No. Here? Yes, this is correct. So this is number 5. We need number 1, number 4, and number 6. So let's have a look. Ooh, I see a banana. Let's see where this one goes. So, should we put the banana here? No. Should the banana be here? Yes, this looks correct. Let's put this one at number 6. So now we only have to do number 1 and number 4. Now let's have a look. I see some parts of a plant. So which one should be number 1? Yes, this one is number 1. Because monkeys like to climb in trees. Okay, so now we have only one piece left. Number 4. So number 4 goes right here. Wow! We've finished our picture. Now, do you know what animal it is? It's a monkey. Very good. It's a monkey. Okay, let's have a look at our next picture. This is not correct. So, we have to put the pieces in the correct order. Now, I am your teacher and I know number 1 is this one. So, let's put that right here. Number 1. Now, let's think. I see an ear. Ear. So we have to have another ear at place number 2. So where do we see an ear? Nope. This one? Nope. I see an ear here. So this is number 2. Wow. 2 eyes and 2 ears. So now let's think. We should have a piece of his mouth. Is this a piece of a mouth? No. But I see one here. This is his chin. And his chin goes here? No. Does his chin go here? Yes. Okay, so this is number 4. Now, let's have a look. I see his paw. Now, I think we have to have a body right here. So, where is his body? His belly? I think this one. So let's see. This one goes. Nope, this is not correct. This one goes here? Yes, very good. Let's put it right there. Wow, now I see 1, 2, 3 feet. So, I think this animal needs a 4th one. So let's have a look. Where is his last foot? This one? Yes. This is his foot. And it goes right here, or does it go here? No, it goes right there. Okay, so we have one more picture left. This one goes like this? No, it goes right here. Let's put it in the right place. Wow, we are finished with our picture. Kids, do you know what it is? It's a lion. Can you repeat lion? Lion. Very good. Well done in this game. Kids, we have one more game to play. Let's have a look at this picture. This is not correct. So, we have to put the pieces in the correct order from 1 to 6. I know number 2. Number 2 is this one. So let's put that right there. Now, what do you see in this piece? I see an eye. So we have to have another eye because we have 2 eyes. Where do you see an eye? Over here? Nope. Over here? Yes, this is an eye. So this one goes right there. That looks correct. So now we have number 1 and 2. What is this? It is just like a nose, but it is called a trunk. So, where do we see a trunk? Is this a trunk? Nope. Is this a trunk? Yes. So, this one goes right here. Let's put it in the right place. Okay. So, now let's think. What is next? I see a foot. So, we need another piece of his leg and foot. Let's have a look. I see... Is this a foot? No. Is this a foot? Yes, I see a leg and a foot. So this one goes here? Nope. This one goes right here. Yes, this is the correct place. Okay, now we have number 3 and number 6 left. I missed a piece of his leg. So we need a piece of his leg right there. Let's see, is this a leg? Nope. This is a leg. So let's put this right here or here. This one is number 6. Very good. So we have only number 3 left. It's his tail. So this one goes right here. Wow! We finished our picture. Do you know what it is? What zoo animal is it? It's an elephant. Can you repeat after me? Elephant. Yes, very good. Wow, kids, you did so good in this game today. So, now it is the end of our lesson. This was our lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching and joining in. I will see you again next time. Goodbye!
The easy way to join our mission is by going to our Facebook page, IP at Mary Immaculate Convent School, Chonburi, and post your photo or the answer in the comment section below this video. The teacher will choose your mission and post the mission on our Facebook page. Here, you can check both yours and your friend's mission every Monday to Friday at 6 p.m. We hope you will all join our mission and look forward to seeing your missions very soon. Woohoo!